RV backup cameras are very helpful, arguably essential, especially with such a long rig like Wendy. While our Furrion camera has served us well, it is time for an upgrade. Hey everybody, welcome back to No Ordinary Path. I am a travel nurse and I take my family, wife and 3 kids all around the country taking different travel nurse contracts. And this thing right here, this is Wendy, which is our 37-foot travel trailer. Today is a Real Talk Tuesday that I'm excited about. It's right in here, the suspense, right? Boom! This is the Haloview RD10. It is the newest backup camera from this company. Now, we already have a backup camera that we use and I have liked, and I've even talked about it in other videos of ours, which is one of the Furrions. It actually came with Wendy when we picked her up. This thing here is quite a bit more powerful and it has some really neat features that I'm excited to bring about. It's not just a backup camera. I gotta start by saying that. It's actually 2 cameras because it has a front camera also for kind of acting like a dash cam, which is, I think, really good. That's it right there. What does that look like? It goes right on the rear view mirror. That's the coolest thing about this whole setup, in my opinion. The other thing that we run into a lot with the Furrion camera and a lot of backup cameras, when you have these wireless setups, when you have a longer rig, a lot of times the signal will get kind of sketchy. I'll be driving along, especially if it's kind of raining or something like that, and it'll just drop the signal. Now, I like these rear view cameras because they function like a rear view mirror for me. I just leave it on all the time. So that way I can see cars as they're coming up on you kind of close. I can see when someone passes to go around me or something like that to make sure that I don't change lanes, you know, and potentially cause an accident. This is unique because it has a transmitter system, which is this guy right here, and this long spool of wire that goes to the back of the camera, which is this guy. The transmitter sits up near the front of the rig, so the signal doesn't have to go as far. It goes right to the tow vehicle, which is right there, and it's like having something right off the back of the truck. You're supposed to get a whole lot more clarity. It's supposed to be just better, no loss of signal and stuff like that. So let's hook it up and we'll take it out and see how it works. Screws, brackets. That's probably the power setup. Pretty sure that is our power supply, DC power supply for the camera. And here's some mounting brackets for the wiring. So several little parts here, and there are some directions